Apple has released iOS 17.1 Beta 1. I have successfully installed it on my phone. In this video, let's have a look at the top 5 major changes or the new features of iOS 17.1 Beta 1. But before we get started, make sure to follow and subscribe to iOS Droids. With that being said, let's begin. The size of this update is 6.31 GB. Let's go into Settings, General, About, iOS version. You can see the latest iOS version of iOS 17.1 with the build number 21B5045H. This is the latest update from Apple. Along with iOS 17.1 Beta 1, Apple has also released iPadOS 17.1 Beta, macOS 14.1 Beta, watchOS 10.1 Beta, and tvOS 17.1 Beta. Now let's have a look at the 5 major changes. The first change is with the flashlight in the 14 Pro Max. So if you open the flashlight, you can see a new toggle in the dynamic island. Previously, this was not available. Now this is available in 14 Pro Max and 15 Pro Max. And the next change is with the wallpaper. Go to your lock screen, customize, lock screen. At the bottom, you can see the 3 dots. Just tap on this. You can see a new option of extend wallpaper. Pinch your wallpaper. You can see the wallpaper is extended. If you want to disable this, just tap on this and this will be disabled. So this is the new option. Now for the next change, go into Settings, General, Airdrop. You can see a new option of use cellular data. If you are transferring files between two iPhones which are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and due to some reason one phone is disconnected from the Wi-Fi, you can make use of cellular data and transfer the files. And now the next change is in the sounds and haptics. Go to ringtone. In the previous update, Apple has added few new ringtones, but with this particular update, all those ringtones were removed. And I guess they will add the ringtones in the future updates. Now the next change is with the watchOS. Apple has finally released Namedrop between your Apple Watch and iPhone. I have not updated my Apple Watch, so I will not be able to demonstrate you the process of Namedrop between your iPhone and Apple Watch. So these are the top 5 major changes that you get with iOS 17.1 Beta 1. So that's it about the video, guys. For more videos like this, subscribe to iOS Droids.